Smiley!
Hi.
Hi, we're done.
I'm so cold.
We're so cold.
Yes.
You're cold. Look, nobody can see you because, well, it's dark out. And, well, I don't have a flashlight. Alright, so...
You can see the gray in Mommy's scarf.
You can. Alright, so Smiley and I are done. We're out delivering papers in a blizzard. Yes, we're done for now. We're going to go home, have some supper, and then she's going to go finish off her second route. As you can see, the weather is not very nice. Ooh, ooh, almost falling here. It's very frightful out here. And snowy and blizzardy. And
That it looks like the light is blinking.
it's a truck.
Oh,
Alright, so we're out delivering her papers. There you go, now you can see her. Yay! He's got his high vis pants on, nobody can miss me. Alright, cut through the parking lot.
That just like blew right in my face.
See? Yeah, lovely. You see the snow just blowing off the everywhere. Walking backwards. Careful, fall. Seriously, you're gonna fall. Alright, so we're out here earning her bike, right, kiddo? Look at, we're earning your bike. Right?
We're earning my bike. Picture on Facebook of me eating my hot chocolate.
Yes, because yesterday it was minus 34 with the wind chill. Minus 34 Celsius. And she was out delivering her papers, earning that paper. She earned that hot chocolate. So. Alright, now we're going to go home, have some more hot chocolate. We'll make this a one-take Thursday.
With lots of marshmallows.
Lots of marshmallows, lots of sugar to hype her up so she can go do her next one.
Lots of
Lots of energy. Alright, so she's going home. We're going home. Gonna go have some supper. Warm up. Gonna go unthaw my fingers. Because, well, I have them out for some reason. I don't know why. Alright.
Well, at least I don't have my fingers out.
Yes, you don't.
Aha!
I'll do that. Alright, we're out of here.